Every year, people in New York look at the sunset. They stand in the street. They take pictures. Why? Because something special happens. It is called Manhattanhenge. The sun goes down between the tall buildings. It looks like the sun is in the middle of the road. It is very beautiful. The sky is orange and red. People smile, people clap, people say, "Wow!" This event happens 2 times every year. One time is in May, the other time is in July. It happens in the evening, just before night. You can see it on big streets in New York. Go to 14th Street, 34th Street, or 42nd Street. Come early. Many people want to see it. Take your phone, take a camera. Look at the sky. Watch the sun. The city is full of light. This is not just a sunset. It is a city sunset. It is special. It is called Manhattanhenge.